In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your text size appear smaller on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says text size. You can drag this text size bar to the right to make it appear larger or smaller by dragging to the left, and then you would select apply to confirm, and then that should be able to adjust your text size appropriately. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.